Chewing gum removal is slow and painstaking, and leaves a lot of mess to clean up afterwards, including the gum that has just been removed. Now, a compact and unique machine is available, the Gum Blaster, that not only removes the gum, but also collects it at the same time. The Gum Blaster can be used with most hot pressure washers. A minimum pressure of 150 bar and at least 12 litres per minute is recommended. Let's have a look at how the Gum Blaster works. Position the cleaning head over the chewing gum using the viewing window. Pull the trigger and move the Gum Blaster back and forth. This simple action quickly removes and contains the gum. The Gum Blaster's amazing cleaning power is achieved by a cluster of 18 pressure-intensifying needle jets set at a constant height and angle. The Gum Blaster is designed to reduce overspray. Removed gum is trapped in a collection chamber situated at the front and is easily emptied by undoing one of these plugs. The Gum Blaster removes a sticky problem fast.